when we talk about getting things done within Assembly, some of our core workflows are really this idea of daily stand-ups. So stand-ups, or you could call them morning stand-ups, are about this idea of committing each morning to a set of tasks or to a body of work, and then communicating that with your team for the sake of accountability. So in the morning, every day, our team will come in and they will respond to daily stand-up, and they'll discuss basically how they're feeling. Today I'm ready to crush. What did I get done yesterday? What do I plan on doing today? And are there any obstacles or blockers that I'm going to need help with? So each day we'll come in here and we'll respond to that flow and build out a feed of basically where everyone's at, how they're feeling, where they're blocked, who might be blocking them. So we can actually go in and get those things sorted, get people unblocked, get the work actually accelerated. So in the morning, you commit to a set of tasks via stand-up, and then over the course of your day, you can actually transfer those tasks to your notebook, which is really the almost planner view for your day or for your week. So in the morning, I might commit, say, to giving this webinar, and then I can go and actually manage that task right here within my notebook. Later on in the day, there might be a different set of tasks, and each day that's going to change depending on what I'm committing to for that day. And also, having the accountability for my team that I've actually stated what I'm working on allows me to be more accountable, be more driven, be more motivated to actually get that work done. So that's part of how Assembly really helps people get things done within your organization. However, you might want to answer a different set of questions from us. It might be different from how are you feeling? What's blocking you? What did you do yesterday? What did you do today? So what we enable you to do is actually to build that workflow, build that form from scratch, right? So if we jump in here and we look at perhaps a daily agenda flow or a stand-up meeting flow, you can pop in here and we can preview this. How did you feel today on a scale of 1 to 5? What did you get done yesterday? What are you planning on doing today? Any blockers, obstacles, challenges, and choose a GIF that represents how you want the day to go. So that is our template. However, once you jump in here, you can actually go into the editor and you can customize this to be however you want it to be. You can customize it to run on a specific schedule. If you guys run your stand-ups or you want to do those accountability checks just on Mondays and Fridays, if you want to do them every day, if you want to do them specifically Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we support any of those various different schedules by actually going in here, setting a schedule, picking the day that you might want the flow to start, and then saying, I want us to discuss this every weekday, or perhaps I want to discuss this each week, but just Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. We'll give people Fridays off. So once you've set your schedule, you can actually go in and customize all of the questions. So perhaps it's not about how do you feel today, but it's about how confident do you feel you are prioritizing the right work today? You really can make whatever you want. And from there, you can customize all of your questions. You can add additional questions. Perhaps we want to say, how did yesterday go? Poorly to swimmingly. Anything you want. So once we've done that, we can save the flow. And then we can actually go here and share this flow with our whole team. So when we make a deliberation about who's going to be participating in this flow, we want our whole team to jump in here. We want our entire organization to be able to come in, commit to the work each day. And we want everyone who's participating to be able to see the other people's responses. So when we choose viewers, we're really making a decision around who can see the responses that are coming in. So we're going to say participants only. So anyone responding can see other people's responses. This is going to end up, once people start responding, creating a flow where all of those different responses, all of the tasks that people are committing to over the course of the day will all come in here. And as a result, we get this really nice view each day into how our teams are doing, who needs our help. As a manager, we can use this to identify who's falling behind, who's overachieving, who's perhaps close to burnout, right? Like each day we'll know who's working on what, how they're feeling, and we can customize those questions to serve whatever our needs are. And we can use the notebook to actually manage those tasks, assign them to people, see once they get completed, etc.